Now we see different types of triangles and different types of quadrilaterals. So, what is meant by a triangle? A triangle is a polygon having three sides. The definition of a triangle is a polygon having three sides is called a triangle. Is called a triangle. It is a polygon having three sides. AB is one side, BC is another side, CA is another side. So it is called a triangle. Now quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. It is a polygon having four sides. A polygon having four sides is called a quadrilateral. Now it is a polygon having four sides. The sides are AB, BC, CD and AD. So it is called a quadrilateral. Now we see different types of triangles and different types of quadrilaterals now. Types of triangles. Let us take one triangle A, B, C. We know that what are the sides of this triangle AB, BC and AC. Now we observe when this triangle is equilateral and when this triangle is isosceles, we see different types of triangles. First one, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. A triangle having three sides AB, BC, CA. Generally, a triangle is having three sides AB, BC and CA. If the length of these three sides are equal, then the triangle is said to be equilateral triangle. It is a triangle having the sides of equal length. A triangle having the sides of equal length is called an equilateral triangle. That is, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. Now, when a triangle is said to be equilateral triangle, if the length of three sides are equal, that is AB is equal to BC is equal to CA, then ABC is said to be equilateral triangle. Next, isosceles triangle. When a triangle is said to be isosceles triangle, any two sides of a triangle are equal. Any two sides of a triangle are equal, then that triangle is said to be an isosceles triangle. Next, right angle triangle. Generally, triangle is having three sides and three angles also. These three are the angles of the triangle. If any one of these angles is a right angle, then the triangle is said to be a right angle triangle. If any one of the angle in a triangle is right angle, then the triangle is said to be right angle triangle. To be right angle triangle. Next, scalene triangle. If three sides having different lengths, then the triangle is said to be a scalene triangle. All sides are having different length, then the triangle is said to be a scalene triangle. Next, we discuss different types of quadrilaterals also. Types of quadrilaterals. Generally, a quadrilateral is a polygon having four sides, A, B, C, D. What are the sides? AB, BC, CD and AD. and two diagonals also. This AC is one diagonal and BD is another diagonal. A quadrilateral is a polygon having four sides and two diagonals. Now we discuss different types of quadrilaterals. Parallelogram. When a quadrilateral is said to be a parallelogram, if opposite sides are equal and diagonals are not equal. What are opposite sides? AB is one side. The side opposite to AB is CD. Next, BC is another side. What is the side opposite to BC? AD. Here opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to CD. BC is equal to AD. And diagonals are not equal. AC is one diagonal, BD is another diagonal. Diagonals are not equal. Rectangle. If opposite sides are equal and diagonals are also equal, then that quadrilateral is said to be a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to CD, BC is equal to AD, and diagonals are also equal. AC is equal to BD. Rhombus. If four sides are equal and diagonals are not equal, then that quadrilateral is said to be a rhombus. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. That means four sides are equal and diagonals are not equal. AC not equal to BD. Next, square. If four sides are equal and diagonals are also equal, then that quadrilateral is said to be a square. Four sides are equal and diagonals are also equal, then the quadrilateral is said to be a square. In this way, we distinguish the quadrilaterals. So, when a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, if opposite sides are equal and diagonals are not equal. When it is called a rectangle, opposite sides are equal and diagonals are also equal. You see, in these parallelogram and rectangle, opposite sides are equal, but the difference is in parallelogram diagonals not equal, in rectangle diagonals are equal. Now you compare rhombus and square. In both rhombus and square, four sides are equal. In rhombus, diagonals are not equal. In square, diagonals are also equal. But in any one of these four quadrilaterals, diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other means midpoint of the diagonal AC is equal to midpoint of the diagonal BD in any one of these four quadrilaterals. Now we see some problems on triangles and quadrilaterals. Write the first problem. Show that the points two comma 4, 2 comma 6, 2 plus root 3 comma 5 form an equilateral triangle. Form an equilateral triangle. Take the points as A, B, C. Let the given points A 2 comma 4, B 2 comma 6, C 2 plus root 3 comma 5. With these three vertices, a triangle is formed. Now we show that the triangle formed with these three vertices is an equilateral triangle. We know when the triangle is said to be equilateral triangle if three sides are having equal length. First we find the length of the sides AB, BC and AC. You know how to find a distance between 2 points. The root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula to find distance between any 2 points. To find the distance between 2 points A and B, take A as x1 y1, B as x2 y2. Then the distance between the points A and B, x2 minus x1 whole square, 2 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 6 minus 4 whole square, 0, 6 minus 4, 2, 2 square 4, root of 4, that is 2. Next, BC, distance between the points B and C. For this, B is taken as x1 y1, C is taken as x2 y2, and apply this formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus x1, 2 plus root 3 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 5 minus 6 whole square. 2 get cancelled. Root 3 whole square, that is 3. 5 minus 6 minus 1 whole square plus 1. 3 plus 1 4. root 4, that is 2. Next, CA. To find the distance between CA, take the point A as x1, y1 and C as x2, y2. x2 minus x1, 2 plus root 3 minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 4 whole square. 2 get cancelled. Root 3 whole square 3. 5 minus 4 1. 1 square 1. Root 3 plus 1, that is root 4, which is equal to 2. Therefore, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. All three sides are having equal length. What is that length? 2. If three sides of a triangle are equal, then the triangle is said to be an equilateral triangle. Hence, ABC forms an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle. Next, second problem. Show that the points one comma 3, 3 comma minus 1, minus 5 forms a right angle triangle. Forms a right angle triangle. Take the points as A, B, C. Let A 1 comma 3, B 3 comma minus 1, C minus 5 comma minus 5. With these 3 points, a triangle is formed. Now we prove that this triangle is a right angle triangle. First of all, we find the length of the sides AB, BC and AC. We know how to find the distance between 2 points by using the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Take A as x1 y1, B as x2 y2. x2 minus x1 3 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 1 minus 3 whole square. 3 minus 1 2 square 4 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 whole square 16 plus 4 20 Next, find the distance BC. Take B as x1, y1, C as x2, y2, and apply this formula: x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square minus 5 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 5 minus of minus 1 plus 1 minus 5 minus 3 minus 8 whole square 8 square 64 plus minus 5 plus 1 minus 4 whole square 16 with the root of 80. Next, AC. Take A as x1, y1, C as x2, y2. x2 minus x1 minus 5 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 5 minus 3 whole square minus 6 whole square 36 minus 5 minus 3 minus 8 whole square, that is 64 root of 100. Now you see that AB is root 20, BC is root 80 and AC is root 100. Then what is AB square? 20. What is BC square? 80. What is AC square? 100. Therefore, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Since 100 is equal to 20 plus 80. 100 is equal to 20 plus 80. That's why AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. If the sum of the squares of two sides is equal to square of the another side, then the triangle is said to be a right angle triangle from Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, ABC form a right angle triangle. Next problem. Show that the points -3, 1, -6, -7, 3, -9, 6, -1 taken in order form a parallelogram. Show that these 4 points taken in order without changing the order form a parallelogram. Take the given points as A, B, C, D. let A 3 comma 1, B minus 6 minus 7, C 3 comma minus 9, D 6 comma minus 1. With these 4 points, a quadrilateral is formed. It is a quadrilateral. Now we want to show this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. We already discussed when a quadrilateral is said to be a parallelogram if opposite sides are equal and diagonals are not equal. First we find the length of 4 sides and then find the diagonals AC and BD. AB. The formula to find the distance between 2 points is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Take A x1 y1, B x2 y2. x2 minus x1 minus 6 plus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 7 minus 1 whole square minus 3 whole square 9 minus 8 square 64 64 plus 9 73. Next BC. Take B x1 y1, C x2 y2. The root of x2 minus x1 3 plus 6 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 9 plus 7 whole square 3 plus 6 9 square 81 minus 9 plus 7 minus 2 whole square 4 85. Next CD. Take C x1 y1 and D x2 y2. Root of x2 minus x1 6 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 1 plus 9 whole square 6 minus 3 square 9 plus minus 1 plus 9 8 square 64 plus 9 73. Next BA. Take D x1 y1 and A as x2 y2. x2 minus x1 minus 3 minus 6 whole square plus 1 plus 1 whole square minus 9 whole square 81 2 whole square 4 81 plus 4 that is 85. Next we find the length of the diagonals also. What are the diagonals here? AC and BD. AC. Take A x1 y1 and C x2 y2. x2 minus x1, 3 plus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1, minus 9 minus 1 3 plus 3 6 square 36 plus minus 9 minus 1 minus 10 whole square 100 root of 136. Next, BD. Take B x1 y1 and D x2 y2. x2 minus x1, 6 plus 6 whole square plus y2 minus y1, minus 1 plus 7 whole square 36 plus 6 plus 6 12 square 144 7 minus 1 6 square 36 180. We observe that AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD. Next, BC is equal to DA and AC is not equal to BD. AC is not equal to BD. AB is equal to CD, opposite side equal. BC is equal to AD. Here also opposite sides are equal. So in this quadrilateral ABCD, opposite sides are equal and diagonals AC and BD are not equal. When opposite sides are equal and diagonals are not equal, then that quadrilateral forms a parallelogram. Hence, ABCD is a parallelogram. In this way, when 4 points are given, taken in order, we discuss when it forms a parallelogram and when it forms a rectangle, when it forms a square and when it forms a rhombus.